Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is LC. In this video, I will apply Dupont Analysis on Oracle's ROE. Oracle is an American multinational computer technology corporation that sells database software and technology, cloud engineer systems, and enterprise software products. At the time of recording, I did not own Oracle shares. I have no intention to promote this stock. Here are the ROE of Oracle from 2015 to 2019. Oracle achieved 45% ROE for 2019, highest in the last 5 years. We need to validate whether 45% ROE is organic or not. We need to determine what financial activities that contribute the most to changes in ROE. Let's quickly go through Dupont Analysis. First, net profit margin of Oracle was 26% in 2019 and 28% in 2018. We can safely assume net profit margin is not the main contributor to 45% ROE. Second, Oracle's asset turnover ratio increased slightly from 0.29 to 0.36. It doesn't seem like a significant increase, so asset turnover ratio is not the main contributor too. The final component, as you can see, Oracle's financial leverage is double. Therefore, financial leverage is the main contributor here. To confirm, we should check the balance sheet of Oracle. Oracle has been raising long-term debt year over year, as you can see on the screen. The conclusion is the 45% ROE is mainly driven by high leverage. You have to read through the annual report or question the management during the AGM to figure out why they had to take so much of long-term debt in the past 5 years. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like and share it out. If you didn't, a dislike. Subscribe for more, ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.